Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today we have the all-new Tecno Camon Click with us. So this was launched on 28th of May, that means yesterday. Tecno had already released few of its Camon range smartphones earlier also, which were all decent smartphones at affordable or a mid-range price. And this time also Tecno Camon has been launched in a middle range smartphone segment. Along with that, the major highlight, or you can say one of the highlight of the phone, is of course the AI camera this time. So in this video, let's unbox the new Tecno Camon Click and see its first look. So friends, this is the new Tecno Camon Click. It says Tecno full view display, 20 MP, 16 megapixel. Also on the box it's written 1 year promise, 100 days replacement, one-time screen replacement, and 1 month's additional extended warranty. So this is how the box looks like. It has some more additional information, and USB is written on the back of the box. So it says 20 megapixel front camera with a dual flash, 16 megapixel back camera with a quad flash. It has 6-inch full view display, 4GB plus 64GB combination, and dual 4G view LTE, 3750 mAh battery, fingerprint sensor, and Android 8.1. So these are some of the specifications written on the box. So let's unbox it. Oh, so this on the top you find this camera. Again, the highlights written here. Let's check out first what is there in the box. We'll come back to the phone. Then you get this smaller box inside it, in which there is a TPU back cover, okay quality. Then this warranty card, user guide, and okay, there's a screen guard as well. So good stuff. What else is there? There is this charging adapter, which is a 5-volt 2 ampere charger. And then there is this micro USB cable and decent simple headphones, decent simple earphones with some additional ear pads. So this is it in the box. Let's see what the phone has to offer. Let's take off this cover first. From the back as well. Yeah. Okay. So this is how the phone looks like. Nice, smooth back, good to hold. Let's start the phone. So here you can see the big 6-inch screen. So this is how the screen looks like. It is a 6 inches massive screen, HD plus full view display with the 18:9 aspect ratio and 1440 by 720 pixels. It has a 2.5D curved glass. Screen to body ratio is about 83.9%. See, the viewing angles are quite good, colors are vibrant, antennas are like properly placed, edges are quite nicely curved. Other than this, if we talk about the hardware, on the top you have the earpiece and a 20 megapixel front camera with a dual LED flash, sensors, and bezels are thin from here and here. This bezel is a little thick. On the right side you have this power button and the volume rocker, good tactile feedback here, and you have the SIM tray slot here. Let's check out what the SIM tray slot is like. Great, so it has a dual SIM tray with a dedicated microSD card slot, so that's a very good thing. And then on the left side there is literally nothing. The bottom, there's a speaker grill, micro USB port, mouthpiece, and the 3.5mm audio jack. On the top again there is nothing. On the back we have the 16 megapixel rear camera with a quad LED flash, fingerprint sensor. It also has face unlock, and then we have the Tecno tagging. Let's check out the settings inside the phone and see more about the software part. It runs on company's own high OS version 3.3.0. The RAM is 4 GB, ROM is 64 GB. Front camera 20 megapixel, back camera 16 megapixel. Battery is 3750 mAh. Screen pixels are 1440 by 720. Phone, it has Android version 8.1.0, that means Oreo. It is powered by Octa-core MediaTek Helio P3 processor with ARM Mali G71M P2 GPU. The highlight of the phone is the AI camera. Let's quickly check out the camera. So the back camera is a 16 megapixel rear camera, and the modes here are video, normal, beauty, panorama, and super pixel. So the super pixel mode has a 64 megapixel camera which takes 3 pictures at a time, and it then synthesizes the 3 pictures into one. So you get 3 times better picture resolution as compared to a normal photo mode. And then here are the additional settings. The back camera is a quad LED flash camera. So this is the flash setting, HDR, aspect ratio, and some pre-installed color filters. Let's turn to the front. Let's turn to the front camera. So the front camera is its specialization this time. It's a 20 megapixel front camera, and the camera has AI. So on the front camera, if we see, so these are some additional settings. Then the dual LED flash and portrait mode. Wow, the portrait mode. Let's click a selfie in the portrait mode. Then HDR, aspect ratio, and some pre-installed color filters again. Here you, in the front camera, you get the options of video, normal, beauty, and panorama. So the camera is AI based, and it will gradually learn how you're using the camera and will make your pictures look better by its own artificial intelligence. If we see some of the pictures I just clicked. So this was the first look of the new Tecno Camon I clicked. It is loaded with specs at a decent price range of 13,999 and will be available at major retail stores all over India. This was it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.